So now, so here is there's a lot of different range on what to do when the client says cancel. So if you are getting on to the book, it means that you first start and when you are building your clientele, is that there's a lot of time, because a lot of the I see that a lot in the nail salons that have that issue, which is that, you know, what to do when the client says cancel. So now, so do you use any of a booking, any of a bookings system? Basic, the system that you can do, there are a lot of them out there, but I seeing like I'm using the Square. So then it's a basic system that you can able to do without, like, you know, is a lot of costs up front for you to start. So here, so do you setting your prices on there, and you setting the policy? So you have to getting a policy for the clients, like say it depend. Also now it depends, so I just need a little bit more specifics about this question too, what to do when the clients cancel. And for the beginner nail tech, I will give a different advice. For the a little bit of 1 or 2 years in the nail tech, I will give a different advice. So let me know. I'm waiting for that more information, so then I can go from there. Okay,
you can start with just beginning, so they were just brand new.
Okay,
Don't know anything.
so now the brand new is a little bit challenged, because then you know what, how it's happened like this. People always, and is sometimes we can't really mad at them, because they was like, oh, I don't know her, I'm not trusting her, if she's like good enough, then I'll just cancel, and no problem, and then she's gonna take me a next time. It happened to me, and it happened to me years, and I have to deal with that a lot, because first of all, that it's not nothing wrong with you, so don't take it as like you're not good enough or you're nothing wrong. It's just not you, it's just the clients, and some clients just don't have the respects for you, which is, we can't blame them, because they don't know who we are. They don't see like, oh, I just know, or I just like stopping by, so seeing it, but they will compare your work with someone else's work, and this is normal. This is not your problem. That's their thought and their judges they're looking for, and I will not blame on them either, because they are the customers, so they spend their money, so they want their monies go a long way, so they want their like a last, and then the least expensive for the best job, right? So that is the end, but your end, only you need to do is to keep practice and doing it until that they are gonna come and showing up at the salon, or else if not on time, or else you put them back in the books on the waiting list of a waiting list. So I will was giving a general information, so what to do when the clients cancel. So setting your boundary and your policy for your salon in less than 24 hours or 48 hours, all the 100% will be is without losing your deposit. You say make sure you're having your deposit, even $10 is still deposit. So then that way is paying for is your time, at least $10. But then when you're doing it for 2 months, 3 months, and you're doing great, and you can able to revise your policy to be, now booking is going to be $20, $15, and they have to pay upfront before you are accepting the appointment. So playing with a lot of different booking system, and I believe if they have that in there. Only in my different that mine is the booking is pay upfront, like 100% pay upfront. And if the clients need to update anything, they can always pay a different. They can change it some slightly in the time that allow me if the price are the same. But if they want is more, they can only pay a different. So I will set the policy for your clients, and then when you setting like this, you make sure you stick to what you are going to set. So if they are 10 minutes late, you are gonna accommodate at that time. or you are going to do. And also it's really depend, because if when I was a beginner nail techs, when I first start, I take whatever. Like people bail on me so many times, I was sitting and crying, but who care? Nobody care. They don't care. They move on with their life. They don't care if you try so hard to take care of yourself, take care of your family, doing work hard every day. They don't care. They don't know, and they don't care. So don't really discouraged by that and then take it too hard for yourself, because you know your worth, you know you're so good, and just keep practicing like you are doing, like planning, sowing your seed right now. So it's hard, like, oh my God, it's time is the money. It is time and money. I still remember, as even as today, after many years, I still remember as the whole time when people cancel, and then you also then you have one appointment cancel, next you have 2 or 3 of them cancel, and then 4 5 cancel, and then you get so frustrated. But so that's why I work whenever I can. If the clients just walk in, I take them to, and sometimes it was like some day is like a hell. I'm telling you, it's not every day is a bright day, but definitely you go into really tough days for you to getting a really good day, to the point that all of your hard work pay off, and all people that doesn't appreciate you, they're gonna able to now see your beautiful work. And it's important too, if your business is based on social media as well, I think all of the nail tech should, because here's something. If you are introduce your business, and if you want people to looking it up in the city and they see your beautiful work, they're likely to come in to see you, instead of someone doesn't have any. Like, do you have any social media, or you have any business card? Post everything. You can definitely, here's something else that you can definitely delete any post that you don't like it after a while. You think it is you are doing it better, you can definitely remove them if you want to. But I always post everything, even the ugly, the good, the bad, put it in there, because you never know, because every single of us look at things differently. Like our perspective for life, for thing in life, differently. Like you think, oh my God, it's so ugly, I don't know who's gonna wear this. Someone will see the beauty in it, you know. So you never know. Some clients will like something that other clients doesn't like. You just don't, you never know. It's because if you have a lot of different clients out, like clients from the office, hated people wearing a long nail. But people from like wearing a long nails and see that people are doing an office, doctor, lawyer, or the nurses now so boring. But you know, it doesn't matter. It's as long as they like it. That is however they like it and they're happy with this, then you just go with this. But post it up, so then that way people see you from your profile. So when they see your profile a lot, they know that you're doing a proper business. They're likely to get less of playing game in their minds and not respect you. Just as the reason is when they ask what to do when the clients that cancel, because a lot of them like, oh, I'm just gonna cancel because she doesn't charge me any fee or anything at all. So here's I want to tell you, this is now is a great, I'm so happy that now we have a system that it can deposit. Back then, you know how I did it? I have the clients that cancel 3 times. Oh, ABC, I understand it's emergency, but when you're starting getting a lot of cancellation, I said, you know what, this is the 3rd time you are already canceled. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna completely remove your name off from the book. So we're not going to book you on next week, because this is the 3rd time you booked 3 weeks and without showing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove you and put you on the waiting list. So when you are ready, you can call, and then first come first serve if I have any opening. So when I did that, automatically clients like, oh my gosh, okay, now you're completely off until next time when you have opening, when she's showing up and she will completely showing up and respect, then we'll go from there. Or else is okay, because you can save that spot for someone else who want to come in and call you and want to come in and give you the business.